Alright, in this video we're going to look at solving equations that have pronumerals on both sides. Now the method to solving these is very similar to our two-step equations. Just try and get all your x's on one side and all your numbers on the other by using opposite operations. So when we get to this first part, we've already got 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 15. We can see there's two x's there. Let's try and get them together. So if I subtract 2x from both sides, 2x minus 2x, that goes to 0. 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x. So I just get left with x plus 5 equals 15, equals negative 15. Then our last step is we go and we've already got x by itself, so we just need to move this plus 5 so it's all the way by itself on the left hand side. We subtract 5, we get x is equal to negative 20. Why don't you pause it and give the next two a try. Try 2 and 3. Really up to you how you go about this one, but I'm going to go on plus n to both sides, which will give me 7n minus 7 is equal to 49. Alright, I've plussed n so it cancels with that negative n. And now I'm going to go on plus 7 to both sides, so I get 7n is equal to 49 plus 7 is equal to 56. And 7n is equal to 56. Well, that's saying 7 times what equals 56? Mr. Man's favourite times table. 56 is equal to 7 times 8. So n equals 8. Next one, very similar steps. Going plus, well, up to however you want to attack it. You can move this 2k over this side, or move this 2k over this side. You can move the 12 or the 20, as long as you do opposite operations. I'm going to try and keep things positive. So I'm going to plus 2k to both sides. So I'm going to get 20 is equal to 2k plus the 2k, which gives me 4k minus 12. And now I'm going to get rid of this minus 12 by adding 12 to both sides, which gives me 32 on this side, and just 4k on the right hand side. And our last step is to go and divide by 4. 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. So we get k is equal to 8. Or something a little bit different, which kind of comes up fairly regularly. Try and bring some geometry into our algebra, or vice versa. Solve for x and y in this rectangle. Alright, now the thing you know about a rectangle, hopefully you remember that the opposite sides are equal. So what we're saying is that 2x plus 1 is equal to, well, this side is equal to this side. So that's 20 minus x. Alright, we've got an equation we can go and solve. So go and solve that. Plus x to both sides, we get 3x plus 1 is equal to 20. Minus 1 from both sides, we get 3x is equal to 19. And divide by 3, we get x is equal to 19 on 3, which is probably better, we can write it as 6 1/3. Again, you can use your calculator if you need to. And we've also got this length equaling this length. So saying that y is equal to 5 minus y. Plus y to both sides, we get 2y is equal to 5. Divide by 2, we get y is equal to 5 on 2, which is equal to 2.5. Again, using that calculator if we needed to. Alright, good job.